Introducing the DR100 Steam Cleaner. Powerful, chemical-free cleaning with the flexibility of dry steam and wet steam in one machine. Steam is delivered through long flexible hoses connected to a precision lance. The DR100 features a robust touchscreen control panel that gives you real-time machine status along with the physical pressure gauge which displays boiler status. The DR100 comes with dual steam technology. Dry steam for interiors, wet steam for heavily soiled areas. Dry steam produces high temperature with very low moisture. It is ideal for dashboards, air vents, steering wheels, leather, and fabric seats. It sanitizes surfaces and removes grease and bacteria. Surfaces dry quickly and safely. Wet steam delivers higher moisture content. It is designed for deep cleaning of carpets, floor mats, footwells, and dirty exterior areas. It breaks down mud and stubborn grime effectively. Steam is generated at 8 to 10 bars pressure. A microfiber cloth is used along with the steam. It lifts dirt and wipes the surface in a single pass. The result is a clean and streak-free finish. DR112 and DR118 are equipped with two output hoses. This allows two operators to work at the same time. It provides flexibility to clean around the vehicle in parallel. This improves productivity and reduces detailing time.